Today we're checking out a deluxe studio at Bay Lake Tower. Alright, so coming into the room here in the foyer area, you can see that there is a good amount of space here. This is the adjoining room. That's going to be more than likely a one bedroom, but there is definitely more than enough room here for a stroller. And then we have this full length mirror right here. Then here to the left is our bathroom. I really love all of the artwork here in these renovated rooms. Really cool. Mary Blair inspired. I want every single piece for our house. There's the toilet. Got a nice shower here, shower tub combo.
There's a little sliding door.
Swivel around, and there is our nice little vanity and some little cubbies here on the left. That's nice. And then Jaden's going to show the sliding door to partition it all the way off.
It's very nice for privacy.
Yes, privacy is important for the bathroom, right?
There's a nice kitchen.
And then here to the left is the little kitchenette area. Now, I know a lot of people have said that these are a big waste of space here in the studios because it cuts out room in the main living area, but I actually really enjoy this. This has a lot more space than a regular little kitchenette.
Yeah, this is really cool. There's even a toaster.
Yeah, there's a toaster and everything there.
Mm-hmm.
We have an actual mini fridge. Thank you, Jaden. And why don't you pull that out?
What's this?
That's storage. Careful. There we go. And more storage right there. And that cool pull out.
God.
And then here to the left in this little kitchenette is your coffee station and your trash and your recycle, and then some more drawers. But there is a ton of space here in this little kitchenette. And then the artwork here of Roy Disney looks like at the beginning stages of Walt Disney World being built. Across from the kitchenette we have our closet, safe, luggage rack, and your ironing board. And coming into the main living area, we have this really nice queen size bed that is on a platform, so you will be able to put your luggage underneath. There are the nightstands on both sides, and there are the plugs inside the outlets for all your charging cables. We have this really nice Murphy bed, queen size Murphy bed pull down. Thank you, Jaden. And then you see some storage there, and it looks like one of them are the little tray so that you can use it as a coffee table.
You guys have to be careful when you shut this because it kind of slides off.
Oh, does it? That's good to know. We're going to pull down the Murphy bed in just a minute. Swinging around to the other side, we have this cute little bench, a good sized vanity here with that mirror. I love this wallpaper too. It's really, really cool. Got a nice sized TV. I would say that it doesn't look like it's the same giant TVs that we've seen in other deluxe resorts, but it's still very big. And then there are a total of 6 drawers. I have some of our stuff in it, so 6 drawers total. And then another cabinet right here. And then this is what it looks like with the Murphy bed pulled down. Nice queen size bed. And it looks like that is Cinderella's castle during the fireworks.
That's very nice artwork.
Really, really cool. So you can see with both beds down, there still is a good amount of space, even with that coffee table kind of pushed out of the way.
That's very cool.
And then coming out to the balcony, it is a really good sized balcony. We have a lake view. You can see the marina here. This is Seven Seas Lagoon. That looks like the construction on the Lakeshore Lodge, the new DVC area for Wilderness Lodge. You got the garden view rooms over here. The main tower right here. Just really, really nice. You can hear people playing around in the pool because it is hot today. I am really quite happy with this refurbishment. Well, that's going to do it for this room tour of a Preferred View renovated deluxe studio here at the Bay Lake Tower. Thanks to my assistant. Do you like the room? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's really nice, isn't it? If you like this content, make sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel so that you can see more room tours around Walt Disney World. Until next time, make sure to find joy in every moment, and we will see you real soon, friends. Bye.
Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.